Baby, it's all that matters.
Hi guys, I just made a new video. I hope you all enjoy this little video of me playing a game called Pixel Racing, as you could see on the screen, or Pixel Car Racing. This is a new video, a new game I have installed. It's not old, it's not new, it's like in between. I hope you all enjoy my little content or my little video of me playing this game. It's not that good, but you know, it could be better. I understand. My name is David, as you could see in my intro or on my phone. I'm editing, playing, and making this video on one device. My phone is called a Samsung, as you a lot of y'all people could notice. And me, you know, I'm just talking here. I'm just watching it myself. I'm editing myself, watching me doing all this. I'm actually talking and playing at the same time. Have a Supra. I'm about to play a game. It's audio. Press in the middle. Daytime. Ready. This is a little game that I have. Not I would say an ad, but yeah, it's an ad of a game that I have been playing, and I hope you all play. I hope to see a lot of y'all play this game. I have been installed. Just as a little ad for y'all to see. I hope you all play this game. I ain't gonna lie, but this game looks, the quality and the graphics of this game ain't that bad for being free. I ain't gonna lie. And yes, but this is not the game I'm supposed to be playing. I'm not supposed to be playing it. This is the ad that I'm showing you all to play, and I hope you all enjoy my little video. I'm not supposed to be having this on the screen, but whatever. I hope you're not doing just play. Okay, let's go now. Let's continue. Let's have one race. What a car he has. Bro, let's warm up the tires. Yeah, rev line. Let's put it in neutral now. Rev it and shift. Nice. Let's go. Oh no. Yes, I knew it. And later, before I started this video, I was losing. Maybe the video made me win. Whatever. As you could see, you get XP and a lot of things. You get high scores, you get XP, you get money for these things, as you could see. Let's play. Ain't gonna lie, he on too. Let's warm up the tires. Alright, okay. Oh, let's go. Oh, let's go, chef. Nice, please, let's go. Yes, let's go. I knew I was gonna win this game too. And yes, I hope to see y'all playing this game. I hope to see y'all, ain't gonna lie. And I'm sorry for having the scream like this. I'm new at this video recording. That you could see I earned $20 a little while ago. Okay, yeah, as it's a free game, I ain't gonna lie. The quality and everything for this game is good. This is my dealership. You have all these classes, and this is EAS class, if I'm not mistaken. You have all these cars. You have BMW, Subaru, NXS. You have Skyline. You have Supra, and these cars are not cheap. These cars cost like $9,000 to $53,000 on this game. Not in real life, as you could tell. And you earn a good amount by playing a lot, and you could reach a high, very high on this game. You have different quality of cars in this game. You have a bunch. They don't look too fake on my aspects. The quality of the game is actually good for being free. I ain't gonna lie about that. As I said in the beginning, for this game being free, it looks pretty good. and it's not a old game or a new game. It's like a middle side game. A lot of people play it and a lot of people don't, because I feel like people don't know about this game yet. Yeah, and I'm just gonna continue scrolling through these cars to show you all the quality. And some cars have more horsepower, grip, and weight, or as you can see on the bottom left side, some cars have different weights and stuff, as you can see. Now I'm gonna go to part shop. These are my part shop. You could go and buy anything you would like. As you can see, those cars passing, I ain't gonna lie, those look clean. Those look clean, I ain't gonna lie about that. And this is my part shop. You could buy anything you would need. As for example, you could buy a turbo. You could buy a seat on the all the way on the right side of the car. You could buy a box with an engine in, or a motor, as you would call, at the left side. At the top left side, you see a NOS bottle, as you could buy in different for IoT. Yeah, that's the word. I'm sure. I'm just gonna come by a spring for today because I want to see my car looking better. Purchase. Let's go. I have two cars, as you can see too. I have two different varieties of cars. But I'm gonna upgrade the Super. As you can see, my car has a little overpowered. As you can see, it's fast. That's I can say that it's fast. My car got a little boost in it. It's fast, as you can see. You could upgrade a bunch of things. You have varieties of upgrading to make your car faster. As you can see on the left side, you have tuning and a bunch of things. I'm not sure what the word is, but you can tune it to how fast or how slow you want it. Example, look, this is in the middle. You have how hard you want your car, and this is boost gauge. This is the boost amount of boost you want and how much launch control you want. I'm gonna low down it for today because I don't want my car overheating, and I'm gonna turn down my boost to 26 psi because I've been running it for a good minute and I don't want it to overheat or a lot of things. So let's yeah, that's perfect. As you can see, my Super is not that lower, but let's move on. You have NOS. I'm sorry. You have NOS. You have turbo. I have a supercharger on it. As you can see, leave a comment. Is that a supercharger or not? I'm just make sure. I'm not much of a car guy. Let's continue now. You have example. You have let's go in. Let me load in the car. You see, my car looks a little better. It's not that great, but it will work. As you could see, it will work. And you have two-step, my pistons, my intercooler, and my downpipe or my exhaust, as you would say. Let's go out. Let's go back in. Maybe. Let's go back in. Maybe not. Yeah, let's go back in. Yeah. Let's go back in. And as you can see, the wheel. Let's press the wheel and let's go back to the street drag. I'm gonna go for the street screws. It's in the middle. Let's press the mountain. Daytime. Let's go. Let's cruise around. I haven't been sponsored. Oh no. Oh, ain't gonna lie, that sound clean though. But I hope you all enjoy the video. I'm not talking anymore. I'm just gonna let y'all enjoy my little ribbon, or going to almost 750 RPM, and seeing different varieties of cars. And I'm and I hope you all enjoy. Just watch until the end. And I'm sorry for the wind. The wind kind of messed the video up, but I hope you all still enjoy. Continue. Goodbye. And before I end up this video, ain't gonna lie, but that Corvette looks clean, but in my opinion, that those wheels don't look too good. But whatever. People have different tastes and different minds. As me, I would not use those wheels on that Corvette. I'm gonna end up the day with burnout. I'm not too used to of this, but let's see. Wait, let's gas, shifts, boom. Oh, I still got it. Doesn't matter. I still got it. but I still got it. And I hope you all enjoy my little video. I'm new. I'm David. Goodbye, and have a good day. Goodbye.